Get started on your woodwork practice with this ultimate guide to essential carpentry skills, techniques, tools, tips, and tricks. Complete and easy directions for key skills, from simple joinery techniques to more involved woodworking projects, with clear helpful photographs. Key carpentry skills, from simple joinery techniques to fine woodworking projects, through clear, step-by-step instructions and photographs. New carpenters will learn about the essential tools needed and the principles of basic design and practice crucial techniques like wood joints, finishing, woodturning, and furniture restoration. Experienced crafters will enjoy enhancing their skills and learning something new. We'll make sure you choose the right wood for the job and find more than 100 hard and softwoods, plus their properties, in our handy directory. Put your skills into practice with 28 DIY woodworking projects. This carpentry book will show you how to create home accessories, furnishings, outdoor projects, workshop projects, and more. This reference book provides all the information you need to become a master carpenter and have a house full of fine furnishings to show for the effort. Find the link below and buy the book now.